going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting the video right from here. I'm going over to Vince's shop. He's detailing his car and stuff. You'll see that in a second. I'm wanting to go over there and see if he's never launched my car. I don't think he's ever even driven it ever since it's been stage 2. I've only driven it myself, so I think it'd be really cool to have somebody else's reaction to driving my car and launching it for the very first time for themselves. I don't know. Let's go over to Vince's and see what the hell he's doing. I didn't bottom out on that freaking drop, but yeah. What's up, dude? How you been?
Good.
What you got done?
I've hit the hood up and that side of the car.
Yeah. How you liking it?
I mean, I'm learning as I go. I don't want to do the front bumper because after I at the drag strip when I hit the trailer, I don't want to peel paint off.
Right. You can see that carbon weave. Look at that in the camera. Look at that. Look at that weave.
Yeah, you can see it.
Holy crap!
I brought it out.
Can't wait till it actually pull it out of the garage and stuff and see what it looks like. So.
Right. And then I did half the spoiler, which you can kind of see before and after I stopped up here.
You did this side?
Yeah, I've done this side. I hit it once. But I mean,
on camera
it's gonna look exactly the same.
Right. All right. So.
Uh-oh.
Something that you haven't done yet. I think ever.
Oh.
And I think that you might be okay to do it because it'll be fairly quick. Would you like to drive my car stage 2 for the first time and launch it?
Oh shit.
On camera.
Yeah, of course.
You want to do it?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it'd be dope.
That would be dope. It's gonna be different though.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hopefully I don't fuck it up.
Well, I was just saying,
not your car. I'm saying hopefully I don't fuck up the launch. I don't want to bog it or anything.
Right. Well, I was just thinking once I go E85 and stuff, I probably will never launch it again. Just because I don't want to risk it, especially being
trains and axles at that point.
Right. Yeah. I don't want to. I probably do a rolling launch every once in a while, but since it's just a basic stage 2, I think it'd be kind of cool to do it.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Do on camera and stuff like that.
Yeah, and you haven't done that, so
no, never.
I've never let anybody do it besides me, so I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to do that?
It'd take me an hour to bust this out, so no problem.
Okay. Cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So whenever he's done with this, we'll pull it out. We'll give you guys a look of what his car looks like outside in the sun and stuff, if it's not too dark, and then go do some stage 2 stuff and some launches. So. Alrighty, guys. I guess I will just give you a little rundown. Oh, you gotta unlock me.
I was like, where's it at?
Oh, I gotta get this out of the way. Okay. Whew, it's cold. It's super windy. Oh, you drinking that Monster?
How old's that?
About an hour. I've been drinking it.
Oh, that's not bad. It's hot.
Yeah. If you guys didn't know, I will give you guys a super quick little rundown of the car. It's just the basic stage 2 MAPerformace tuned on 93 octane. It's a 2017 WRX, catless, J-pipe, everything, intake, and that's pretty much it. I've already got all that set up.
So it just turns on now?
It'll turn on by itself. So
nice.
Yep. Yeah, this will be your first time
launching it. It's gonna be different. First time launching an all-wheel drive car at all.
Yeah. It's
a lot of firsts.
Pretty epic, dude. It really is. It's a big difference. Whereas in your car, you mainly just sit there and spin.
Yeah, it's hard to launch it unless you're actually at the track, and you can't launch it at high RPM.
Right. There's no spinning in this. So try to get a couple clips if you can. Go ahead and stop right here. I'll get my GoPro and put in here.
Oh, right.
And then I would like to do. So
these seats are nice.
We'll probably just do a couple launches, and then I'll show you guys some of my other clips whenever I launched my car, just so we don't have to do it 3 or 4 fucking times at the same time. In this clip, I'll show you what it looks like as what the car sounds like and looks like as it's launching. So let's do that. Alrighty guys, we got this camera going up here. Hopefully that's an okay angle. It's kind of at an angle though. So like, I don't know, that's the best that I could have at the time. So we're gonna go out and try to find some not so bumpy roads. This bridge is really bad.
They are.
So we're gonna go out and try to find something a little bit more secluded, a little bit more out in the country, somewhere it's safe, and do like maybe like a 1-2 or a 1-2-3 gear launch, and see how he likes it. So if you guys don't know, it's set at 4,700 RPM. I don't know if you want to do no lift shift, but that's set at 6,000 RPM. Put it in first gear, hold the clutch, floor it. It'll bang off 4,700 RPM, and then you're ready to go. So. It didn't take off what it was supposed to, so it's actually going to pull even harder than that. Yeah, you didn't turn off the traction control or stability control or anything like that. So
I don't like the no lift shifting on this. It feels weird.
Yeah,
I'm just not used to it.
Yeah,
I mean, I do it in my car, but
we also got a very full tank of gas. I just filled it up, so a little bit more weight. But so there's a traction control button on the side over there to your left, and then you're gonna hold it. And then a little bit more. There you go. And you're good. Yep. So do one more?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull it just a little bit, make sure the right still in sit right here.
If
did it seem like I slipped the clutch a little too much or not enough?
A little bit too much. Okay. A little bit too much. Go. Not bad.
No.
Not bad.
That first gear is something.
Yeah, it doesn't sit there and spin.
No. I wish my car would launch like that. It'd be a fucking beast.
Yeah. I think it's pretty fun though.
I appreciate that. Yeah. That brought a smile to my face.
I thought that you would like that.
That's nice. Yeah. Very nice.
Sitting there working on your car for an hour and a half.
Nice break.
Get out. And
it was a nice break.
Yeah.
It was.
Yeah.
I had my game face on.
Yeah. Damn, that sun is bright. Holy crap. Overexposed. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, that was awesome. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was fun. It was a different experience for me sitting in the passenger seat.
Right. You can feel the car a little bit more in the passenger seat because you don't have a steering wheel to hold on to.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, it was definitely like pushing me back. That
22.4 again.
Yeah.
Well, unless I just didn't hit that high.
Yeah. Yeah. So either you peaked last time at 22.4.
So that's probably just less that time. That's why.
Or right at the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty much what it always is, right around 22.4. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are fresh.
Yeah,
fresh kicks.
They're super fun.
Let me see them.
They're dirty. Don't film them.
No, those are fucking dope.
They're so dirty.
Those are dope. I need some. Look how fucking bad mine are.
Those are like over a year old.
I know. I got a hole in my toe. Hole in my toe. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, we're back at the shop and Vince is gonna start working on that. Vince, if you could give one review like and one review dislike, what you didn't like about and what you liked about the launch and the driving experience of like what you just did. Is there anything that you liked, and if there's anything that you didn't like?
The tires didn't spin.
Yeah.
That's nice. I don't like how I feel like if you did that often, shit would break all the time.
Yeah. That's good enough.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
That's about it. I mean, those are my top, like my most extreme like, my most extreme dislike. It's awesome. The tires don't spin, good power, but brake tree can do that.
Right, yeah. So Vince, that's one thing I can ask. What are you gonna do, or when are you gonna do something about that fender?
Never, that's why it's so fast.
Let's wait because there's paint.
Weight reduction, man. I'm gonna wrap it soon.
Yeah. Do you think of like a color, or do you want to like keep it a secret for now?
Keep it a secret.
Keep it a secret for now. So.
But it's happening.
Yeah. Well, okay. Well, then make sure to keep up with Indy LSX. I'll leave it right here on the screen for you guys. Keep up with his build. Give him a follow. And
If you follow me there, you'll know first.
yep. Alrighty guys, since this is getting super dark, hopefully you guys liked the video. I know it was like fairly short. I just thought I would like focus. Okay, if you guys liked the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I know that this video was fairly short, but it was pretty cool. Vince, launching my car for the first time, what did you think? Pretty dope? Have fun?
I give it a 10.
Give it a 10. It'll only get better. So, yeah guys, if you guys liked the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Till next time guys, keep riding. Peace.